Hello, this is Max Level EDC, and today I just want to make you guys aware of one majorly discounted item on Amazon. I've been in the process of just kind of looking around and seeing what is available that may be going on sale during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all that. I will continue to look and let people know as I see it. But this particular discount is cheaper than I've ever seen it, bar none. And that is on the Victorinox Swisstool X, coming with a leather sheath and its driver with the bits attached. This sheath will hold all of those components. This is the very first time I've seen it at this price point. In fact, I think the tool itself, on average, goes for $135. And now it's coming with the leather sheath and the bits and everything else. This is ridiculously discounted, and it's saying coming soon. So if you purchase it, it will basically take a little bit of time to get there, but I think the reason it's so low is because it hasn't been in stock and the algorithm automatically compresses the price. So this is one of these things where you're seeing it, you're basically pre-ordering what you know is going to eventually come. I just wanted to make people aware of it before we get to Thanksgiving. I haven't seen anything yet that's worth noting, but this one is big. Even if you look at kits with the Spirit X, they are more expensive than this kit, which is amazing. So I definitely think you should check that out. You will not be disappointed with Victorinox quality. I haven't shown it much on this channel because there's not really much to say. It's Victorinox, it's high quality. It's also nail nick driven, which is not my favorite thing. But I'll tell you, when it comes to actual quality, I don't think anything beats Vic. So this deal is worth it. If you've been waiting to get a multi-tool, if you've never had one, this is a toolbox in a pouch, in a nice pouch by Victorinox. So just want to let you guys know about it. I will put a link down in the description. This is a good one. So I'll keep you guys updated as we go. If I see anything else come up on Black Friday, I'll probably mention it in the community post because I won't be around. So you guys have a great one, and we'll talk again soon.